I'm going to click the play button to launch our emulator. Just a heads up, the first time might take a bit. In our vscode terminal, after running the command yarn start, we generated a QR code. Now, for those using the Android emulator, check out the options listed here with their commands. The command A is for the Android emulator. So if we type A in the terminal, it opens our app on the emulator. First, it installs Expo Go on the emulator, just like we did on our phone. After that, it bundles our JavaScript code. As you can see, similar to having the text on our phone with Expo Go, we are also displaying it on the Android emulator. In the next episode, we will explore the third option to run the app, which is Expo Snack. See you there.